Hello, I'm Yu Yunling. I work at the Institute of History and Philology, Academia Sinica, Taiwan, as a Chinese archaeological collection manager. Today, I would like to introduce some facts about the oracle bones. The inscribed oracle bones is about 13th to 11th century BCE. Of the Anyang archaeological excavation are among the most important Anyang archaeological artifacts found during the excavation that occurred during the 1930s and 1940s. More than 20,000 fragments were collected, along with more than 100,000 artifacts that had been discovered by early researchers with the Institute of History and Philology, Academia Sinica, ASIHP. Although these treasures shift locations during the World War II, the majority of the artifacts found during this period has been housed at ASIHP Taiwan since 1949. Next, I would like to talk about the patterns of the oracle bone inscriptions. The 4 steps of deciphering divination on the oracle bone inscription are preface, charts, prognostications, and verification. However, not all of the oracle bone inscriptions bear the perfect pattern. Missing parts are very often seen. For example, the prognostication and the verification stage are missing from the oracle bone Binbian 59 showcase at this exhibit. Next, I would like to talk about the stage before divinations, the preparation stage. Turtle platform and the shells, as well as cattle scapular, are 2 broad categories of the divination oracle bones. According to the statistic study of the hollows of oracle, one of our collection, Binbian 184, which contains more than 100 hollows, is the large turtle platform from the Anyang archaeology excavation. It features polished, asymmetrical rows of the deep oval or shallow nail-shaped hollows, which with a vertical chisel on the inner sides of the bones. The surface hollow were burned with sticks to create the bone shape of crackers during the divinations. And during the preparation stage, to make the bones thinner, hollows depths increase, with the bone body being exposed to the very high temperature, usually by means of the burning stick. The manner in which the structure of the bones were undermined by the divination inscriptions that were written and covered on them is also a key issue. We can tell the 6 used hollows are from the reverse side of the oracle bone Binbian 207 and 208. What can we find on the oracle bones divination questions? Oracle bones are the earliest divination tool from the archaeological findings in China. It can also be traced back to the Neolithic period in China. The oracle bones divination is a privileged tool for the king of the Song dynasty. The inscriptions of the oracle bone also indicate the key issues the kings of ancient Song dynasty had sought divination. They include wars, hunting activities, crops harvesting, weather, the king's wife giving birth, worship, and the sacrifice of ancestors, even though the tooth illness. And what is a auspicious sign? People are probably curious about what kind of bowl-shaped signs are good. According to the systematic research of bowl shape and the word "ji," auspicious, next to the bowl shapes, which is conducted by the research of IHP. But he didn't find any patterns. So far, we didn't know what kind of forms bow or ankles between the two strokes of the bow shape are auspicious or ominous. Well, it is still a research issue.